how to get unbanned from Omegle instantly. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unbanned from Omegle. Maybe you were doing something on Omegle, or even sometimes on Omegle we just get banned for no reason. Whatever the reason may be, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unbanned right now. So make sure to keep watching this video all the way to the end. And yeah, let's begin today's video. So the way to get unbanned from Omegle is to simply change your IP address, because the way it works, guys, is that once you get banned, you get IP banned. So the way to bypass this is to use a VPN, which is going to give you a new IP address, and you can actually get a new IP address in a different country as well. So the best way to go ahead and do this is to use a VPN called NordVPN. And with NordVPN, guys, you can actually try this out, and it does obviously cost a bit of money. It's actually one of the cheapest VPNs on the market, and that gives you access to 5,000 different servers. So as you can see right here, I've got it running right now, so I'm actually connected to the United States, and you can actually choose a country to connect to, and you'll get an IP based on that location. So as you can see right here, I'm actually protected right here, and I've got this IP, which is going to obviously protect me, and also allow me to get unbanned from Omegle right here, because I was banned recently. Just to show you as an example, right? And you can also use a VPN called ExpressVPN. Now, this is probably like one of the best VPNs in the market, but with that being said, it's also probably one of the most expensive ones. So if you can, spend a bit of extra money on ExpressVPN, then I'll strongly recommend it. But NordVPN will be more than fine, and it has 5,000 servers anyway, and ExpressVPN only has 3,000 servers. Now, you can also use this, by the way, to watch Netflix content. So you can also use this to unblock Netflix content and other streaming services. So you don't have to just use this for unblocking Omegle. So you can use a VPN for multiple different purposes, obviously. So I mean, that's just the obvious thing. And this will allow you to browse online without your ISP watching you and that type of stuff, and so you can remain anonymous online, basically. So it feels secure in everything you do. NordVPN makes your online data unreadable to others, shield your browsing from criminals and surveillance, secure your devices, access to global internet. So like I said, you can basically, unblock Netflix content and stuff, and all that type of good stuff as well. So that's what I'll recommend, and probably one of the best ways and most efficient ways to actually unblock Omegle and get unbanned. So I will leave a link down below in the video description so you can get a discount. Again, I will be also updating those links down below to make sure you do get the best VPN deal available for blocking Omegle. So that's what I'll recommend you guys do. Another tip as well, before using a VPN, is to clear your history and your cookies, and then use a VPN to basically change your IP address, and there shouldn't be any issues accessing Omegle after that. So that's basically it for today's video, and yeah, cheers.